Hello everyone, this is Vivian. I'll be explaining to you the seventh experiment in our compiler lab today. So the seventh experiment is all about parser. So what does the parser do? It actually translates one form of information to another and also just checks if the string is accepted and follows the grammar rules. So let's take a look at the program. So basically we have the first class called array stack. Here we have functions such as push, pop and display to perform the pushing operation, the popping operation and display. Okay, next we'll go to the main class, which is the parser. So here is where we give all the inputs such as the number of terminals and the number of non-terminals and which starting non-terminal in the grammar starts from, and next we'll enter all the terminals simultaneously. And what happens here next is we'll go into a for loop where alphabets of I, whatever we enter, will be stored in br.readline. And next same goes for, so first is the terminals, next will be the non-terminals. Next we'll enter the row entries of the transition table. So the same goes again in another for loop. And next we'll give the input to the parser, and next it'll print end your input with a $hash character, so it denotes the end of the input. So here what happens is, so basically we have a stack input and the operation that happens. So from the input, the terminals will be pushed to the stack where it either gets popped or pushed. So all these operations happen. So in the end, if in the stack and input $$ is remaining, it is accepted by the grammar. But if it's not, if it's equals to, if index 2 index 1 dot equals to null, it will show as given string is not acceptable. Okay, once all the operations such as push, pop and display is done successfully, if the string is accepted, it will display as passing completed successfully, and it will also ask if do you want to continue. Okay, so basically I'll show you in the Word how the input will be. So this is the way the inputs are given, and in the output is given here as well, where we enter the number of terminals, let's say 6, non-terminals 5, starting non-terminals E. So we begin with E as shown in the input. We start with E and enter all the terminals simultaneously. So these are all terminals here and non-terminals here, and we enter the row entries of the transition table, and last we'll enter a string. After entering all the details, last we'll enter the string and we'll perform, we'll store it in the stack input and output as such. If it is accepted, the output will show passing completed successfully. That's all for the experiment. Thank you.